bien demander à tout le monde hein, si t'as le droit de filmer.
No, I don't.
First, let me introduce the Nomad Story Crew. We have my wife Kelly and myself.
At 2 a.m.
She's filming. I am filming. I got this on camera.
And we have Yaya and Randy.
It's okay.
We wanted to share a bit of our story with you guys, but without making it boring. So we wanted to let you know about what's our plan, how it started, and how it changed our lives. So back in 2023, we flew to France for the Cannes Yachting Festival. For about 2 years prior to that trip, we were watching YouTube videos about... Oh, by the way, this is the actual beach where they filmed the video clip for I'm Still Standing from Elton John. The Ritz-Carlton Hotel was not too far behind us. Okay, so back to our story. So we spent 2 years watching YouTube videos about families sailing all around the world. We consumed entire channels like Sailing Zatara, Sailing La Vagabonde, Sailing Parley Revival, Gone with the Wind, and We Sail. What's actually amazing is that we got to meet and talk to those YouTube celebrities. We've met Keith Whitaker from Sailing Zatara. We've met with Nikki and Jason from Gone with the Wind. We also met Seth Hines from Sailing Family, and he gave us a tour of the HH44, the all number 1.
Oh, this is the spot.
Yeah.
Ça, c'est le spot clac clac clac. Huh?
Could live here, man.
I could do this. I could do this full time. This is the Outremer 52.
While I'm telling you our story, I'm happy to share with you the images of the first catamaran that we actually visited, the Outremer 52. For all 4 of us, it was the first time we had ever set foot on a catamaran. Let's step back in the story. After 2 years of watching YouTube videos, we started to dream. We started to feel like, hey, maybe we could do this lifestyle. It looked filled with adventure and unexpected events, which feels really attractive when you compare it to our 9-to-5 jobs. Then we started to wonder, is this just a dream? Could we do this? Could we live on a boat? So yeah, this is why we flew there. This is how the dream began, how we started more and more envisioning ourselves doing this.
You can fit a whole person in.
Well, if you don't mind, I will go check this. 5'7" over here?
7, that's good.
Tantôt, il faut que tu te penches un peu.
There's a lot of
Moi,
space.
je rentre de
How far forward does it go?
I'm not sure.
Coming back from this trip, everything became real. We registered for a sailing school to get our certifications. We registered for the International Proficiency Certificate, or ICP for short, so we can charter boats in the Meds. We started chartering boats every single year since to build experience. We've been shopping for boats, buying our finances to reach our goals. We've been acquiring new skills like learning mechanic and electronic. We're also planning to do our first aid training soon and scuba diving certifications. In short, every day, everything we do is just to bring us closer to that dream.
You living your life. You living your best life.
My life.
Look like a real captain.
J'aime la vue au-dessus.
Are you gonna hyperventilate?
Huh?
Are you gonna hyperventilate?
Yes.
This is the beauty in action.
Allow yourself to dream. You're gonna have to plan, you're gonna have to execute every day. It's gonna be hard work, but it's totally worth it. As promised, I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm gonna leave you watching the rest of the visit of the Outremer 52, the saloon and the cabins, and enjoy.
Windows back over there. Nice large windows. Inside. Kelly and I fixing to pick up the lights. Oh, okay, separate.
Oh, cool. You got the toilet. You got good amenities.
That's the shower in there.
Ooh, very lovely with that little peephole.
Peephole.
Après, donc d'avoir la réponse ça va, forcément on fait
Oh, okay. So this is the basket. That's large. So your bathroom is definitely tons of storage. It is.
C'est mieux que notre salle de bain.
J'aime ça le fini là. Here darker.
C'est mieux que notre salle de bain du sol. C'est plein d'enfants.
T'as checké la douche?
Yeah, it's very large. C'est ça. Il y a du shelving ici, là.
Écoute, il rentre 2 personnes.
Okay,
You got it?
got it. Ooh, lots of lovely storage on inside.
Because it does slam.
So much. Oh, that's how you open it.
Okay, so there's like more storage here than there is in my house.
Yeah, honestly. And the finish is really nice on the inside. I could live in this. I could do it.
Yeah, you could do it.
I could do it.
Kelly said she could do it.
I could live in this one.
You could live in this one.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like. If there are some topics you would like to hear about, leave it in the comments and we'll gladly work on something to share with you guys. Until the next video, stay awesome and keep dreaming.